Greetings everyone, welcome to Tech Markets Academy. So today we are going to discuss CPI, right? We are going to discuss consumer price index. In short, I just want to show you which method that we use to trade the CPI. In most cases, many traders don't use this method, but this is the safest method that we can use, right? So in this video, we are going to focus on post-entry fundamental trading, right? As you can understand that there are two types of fundamental trading. There are post-entry and there are pre-entry. So what is pre-entry? As you can understand that in pre-entry, you take entries before, right? Before the data is released or before the fundamental. So in post-entries, what do? We take entries after we've received the report and after we've analyzed the fundamentals, right? So yesterday it was the CPI. I already made a video when it was live, but probably the video, it was not really proper. It was not really recorded well. So as you can see yesterday, this was the core CPI month to month and the CPI month to month and also the CPI year on year, right? So basically, please listen, right? Basically, what do we use here, right? We use the data to understand what does the market going to do at that current day, right? Or at that current situation. So as you can see, the actual data, it was 0.2, and also the CPI month to month, it was 0.2%. But if you can check the CPI year on year, it is 2.9. What does this show? It shows that there is a deflationary scenario. So as you can see yesterday when the data came out, what did we say? The fundamental overall, the overall fundamentals suggest that the environment for USDT, it is reduced. So what do we understand on this one? This is based on USDT, right? You should understand how does the inflation, the CPI, affect USDT. As you can understand that USDT, it is an index, right? It is an index made up of certain companies. So whenever there is an inflationary pressure on the certain country, there is a higher possibility that those companies will be affected. So I don't want to say much on this one, as I just want to keep the video as short as possible. So as we analyze that data, that CPI, what did we came up on? You should understand that this type of data, right? We see that the inflation, it is decreasing, right, on a bigger scale. Right, this one, the core CPI and the CPI month to month, we don't focus on it now because as you can see, there is no bigger change, right? But based on the Fed, this is the inflation that we are focusing on. So if you can go to our Telegram, you can also check Tech Markets Academy and go check here. What did we say about that? But as you can see, we also took a buy entry. We also took a buy entry here on USDT, understanding what does the fundamentals say, right? So as you can see, we managed to take an entry right in here, and I want to show you how the update on how the entry ended. So as you can see, the market went up based on the fundamental reason, right? We had a little bit of inflationary pressure, so you should understand what does that mean on the US indices. So as you can see, this is how USDT ended. Let me show you. This is the entry on USDT yesterday. During that time, I will also post the video when I was taking this video live yesterday during the CPI time, right? So guys, if you also want to join this Telegram channel, go and come trade fundamental with us and come understand all these fundamental factors, because on our cases we also understand that fundamentals have an impact on price. So this is how USDT went. We say by USDT, we've also managed to take 0.70% of pips, right? So please guys, go and check this group. I'm going to drop more video on how we also trade this post fundamental, and I'm going to make a clear video explaining this CPI or any fundamental trading, right? So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.